Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Kisiang-Ko Fault and its role in earthquakes. A magnitude 7.1 earthquake struck southern Tibet recently, resulting in significant casualties and damage. The earthquake occurred in Tingri, a rural country that serves as the northern gateway to the Everest region. Research on a newly discovered fault, the Kisiang-Ko Fault, helps explain recent seismic activity in the region. Drishti IAS is elated to announce new offline batches for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains at its Noida center. The English medium batch starts from 9th of January, while the Hindi medium batch starts from 16th of January. For more information, call us at 87501 87501. What is Kisiang-Ko Fault? The Kisiang-Ko Fault is a newly recognized approximately 1000 km long fault running across central Tibet. The fault exhibits sinistral movement, meaning blocks on either side of the fault move leftward. It is described as the most important tectonic boundary in the Siangtang terrain, contributing significantly to the eastward movement of central Tibet. QXCF wholly crosses central Tibet to connect the Ganzi-Xiangshohe fault in eastern Tibet with the Gairing-Ko fault and Tangra-Yam-Ko rift in central southern Tibet. Impact of the fault on seismic activity. The QXCF is responsible for the eastward escape of central Tibet, pushing the region in response to tectonic forces. The fault's presence highlights the increasing likelihood of more earthquakes in China, particularly in the Tibet Plateau seismic zone. The fault plays a crucial role in the dynamic movement between the Indian and Eurasian plates, contributing to the region's frequent seismic events. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary geological characteristic of the Kisiang-Ko Fault? Right-handed movement, left-handed movement, vertical displacement, or horizontal extension? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.